Let's proceed to the Museum of Kapampangan Arts. This museum has a permanent exhibit on the personal memorabilia and works of the national artist Vicente Manansala, who was from Macabebe. We also have the biggest collections of his sketches, and what you see here is just the tip of the iceberg. More than 8,000 sketches are stored in our archives. Part of it is being auctioned off to fund an endowment to benefit Kapampangan artists. Among the highlights of the Manansala collection is the Parisian Boudoir, his early works in Cubism which he sketches when he was in Paris. Come on, let's go! Then there are the studies he made for the Station of the Cross murals at the UP Diliman Chapel, now declared a national culture treasure. And last but not the least, this room right here is dedicated to some of his personal belongings, including his National Artist Medallion.